a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, southeastern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, southeastern Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, northern Roane County in central West Virginia, southwestern Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, Mason County in western West Virginia, Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Jackson to near Wellston to near Conway to 6 miles east of Thunderstorm State Park, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Ripley, Spencer, Rio Grande, Ravenswood, Sandyville, Kenna, Henderson, Vinton, Reedy, Leon, Cheshire, Adamsville, Fairplain, Harmony, Gallipolis Ferry, Gandiaville, Ledyard, and Evans. This includes Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 126 and 148. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401. Now for the official...
The warning wasn't even done, and they cut it out. Okay then.